Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use Deadlock. Now I actually haven't used this agent. This is my first time and I'm trying to show you guys. She is a Sentinel, a very I don't know, aggressive Sentinel, I would say. Like, out of all the Sentinels we had, kind of wish they nerfed her a little bit. But these are her abilities that you can use. We have this one, this C one. It's like a kind of like a grenade. And if you step on it, you'll have to like, well, if the enemy step on it, they'll instantly get slowed and they'll crouch and they'll have to remove that like net. It's called like a net. We have this one, which is kind of like a trap. You can put it like up here as well, even like up here. I don't know like why you would put it up here. Maybe for like some jets who likes to go up here, but I usually just put it like here. Maybe it's kind of like a cipher trap, but it also like detects like sounds as well and not just movement. And we have this E1. Oops, sorry. Hold on, I forgot to turn the match timer off. There you go. And we also have this one, which is the kind of like barrier. I hate this. I hate going through this because I have to empty my bullets to just go through this like bit right here. Like even we can't like go through it. Like it's just to like protect yourself, and the enemies have to like shoot at these thingies to go to the other place. Like even like the middle part is very hard to destroy. And let me just tell you, you know, Wingman can also destroy that if you place him there to plan or something. And then lastly, we have the ult. I hate it as well. Just go to where the enemy is. For instance, the enemy is there. You're just going to mark it and you're going to place it there. I don't have, well, my like friends to play with at the moment, so I can't show you guys currently. It basically like turns them into a cocoon, and like you like drag them. If it's like long enough, they can die. If not, it's just going to like drag it. I've been in a cocoon like a few times. The first time I died, and then like the second one I didn't die because it wasn't long enough, like the cocoon. It is destructible. I just knew that like a few days ago as well. So like I just like left my teammate in that cocoon, I guess. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.